Hello and thanks for joining my channel. Today I was going to show you how to do locks. I'll start by using Loc N Gel. This is a twist gel that I use. If you follow me at Queendom Cuts, I can show you that. I'm also using a taper comb. So first I'll start out by putting a mixture of oils and shea butter on his scalp. I mix my own shea butter and I add castor oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and any other carrier oil that you like. So I take the smaller part of the taper comb and I twist the lock, and I'm doing it in slow motion so that you can see. To get your part straight, always use the product on the scalp and then part. He also had freshly washed hair. So all I'm doing here is just twisting it. And you pull down as you twist, but gently. This does not hurt. So I'm just combing it down, parting it. As you notice, I part to the side, and then my other part goes diagonal from that, and that kind of gives it a diamond shape part. I just wanted to add that Josiah is 12 now, and the last time we did that video, I believe he was 5 or 6, and he had went to his dad's house and he cut his hair off, so that's why I wanted to redo the video and actually start him on a lock journey and make sure I post his updates. So right here, I'm just doing the same thing. I'm just giving you a closer look. Just really twisting it with the product. This process should not hurt. So look at there. We're almost finished. Josiah has no tears like he did in the other video. Again, follow me at Queendom Cuts. So Queendom, QUEENDOM _ CUTS. And follow all my hair pictures and videos. Usually I get a blow dryer and blow dry it after the durag is on. If you're in a shop, you'd sit under the dryer. Who got finesse? Do you see him? Do you see him? Yes, yes. done. Thanks so much for watching. Follow me at Queendom Cuts and follow Josiah's page, Bomb Boy Robinson.